When checking to see if your property is overassessed, start here. Compare your home's assessed value to its current market value. Look at recent sales of similar properties in your neighborhood. Next, review your property's assessment record for accuracy. Check for errors in square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Also check lot size and construction details for any discrepancies. Then, compare your assessment with neighboring properties of similar size. Compare properties of similar style and condition to see if there's a significant discrepancy. Understand your area's assessment ratio or equalization factor. This adjusts property values to reflect true market value. Make sure it's being applied correctly to your assessment. Check that you're receiving all eligible property tax exemptions. Exemptions like homestead, senior citizen, or veteran exemptions can help. Missing these exemptions can inflate your tax bill significantly. Review the history of your property's assessed value. Spot any sudden or unusual increases over time. These increases may signal an overassessment that needs attention. Take control of your property assessment and ensure accuracy. Get our Do-It-Yourself Property Tax Appeal course. Free appeal resources will be made available. Visit house.xax.com or go to the link listed below.